Today's video is on winter mower maintenance, and I will introduce you to my mower and I'll show the most universal way to do a tune-up on the mower. We'll let you know, side note, that some mowers have a drain plug underneath the deck, so there is an alternative way to perform this maintenance, but I'm just going to show you the most universal way to do this. Always make sure you use caution whenever you are performing service on your mower. You do not want to lose a finger or get injured or anything like that. So make sure you disconnect your spark plug before you tilt your mower or handle anything around the blade or underneath the deck. So I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, here's my Yard Machine 21-inch mower. It's powered by a Briggs Stratton 140cc engine. This was the Home Depot special 4.5 years ago. I got it for like probably $129, something like that. I've never given it a tune-up in 4.5 years until today. Decided to do that for you guys as part of my videos that I will be producing. So this is the spark plug from 4.5 years of mowing, and the air filter from 4.5 years of mowing. So I recommend giving it a tune-up every year during your winter cool months, because you won't be using the mower as much, so that's a perfect time to give it a tune-up, give it some maintenance. I would also recommend changing the mower blade at that time. I didn't do that today because I replaced my mower blade a couple months ago, so it is not needed at this moment. I did do the spark plug, the oil, and the air filter today, so I gave it a good tune-up and getting it ready for the busy summer season coming up. The spring will be coming around in February, so might as well get some maintenance done on your mower. All right, hope you guys enjoy the video. General components of the mower engine: gas tank, air filters in here, carburetor, spark plug, exhaust system, and your oil dipstick. And there's your pull cord, which is what gets you to pull and start the mower. And the mower sits on top of this red thing here. This is your deck, and there's your blade. This is the air filter. Like I said, I've never changed my air filter before, and that's pretty bad. She's never failed me though, which is very surprising. So I think we'll have to go and show her some love, get a new air filter. All right, I've got my 5/8 inch deep socket here to remove the spark plug. There she comes. That wasn't too hard at all. Go ahead and remove her. There we go. It's not too bad. Got some carbon deposits there, obviously. All right, so I took the air filter off. That's pretty filthy. So we're gonna replace that. And my spark plug, it's got a little carbon deposit in there, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that too. Like I said, we've never done any maintenance on this in 4.5 years of owning it. I've really used and abused the mower. She's never failed, never acted rough or anything, so I never felt like needed to perform the maintenance, but I think it's time I show her some love. So let's go make a run to Home Depot, get some supplies. All right, YouTube, we're back at the house after our Home Depot trip. Took the air filter off. I've took the spark plug out. Gonna go ahead and drain the oil, replace the oil, then the air filter and the spark plug. I'm not doing my mower blade today. I replaced that just a couple months ago. I'm gonna go ahead and start draining the oil from my mower. I'm gonna just drain it into this black bucket and then dispose of the oil properly. You always want to take it to an oil recycling center. All right, YouTube, it's time to drain the oil. We got back from Home Depot, got everything, all the supplies we needed. So I'm gonna start out by positioning my bucket, taking out this dipstick, set that aside. Okay. And then very carefully, we're gonna line this up. Grab your mower. Make sure your bucket doesn't tip over. And give her a good little tilt. So we want to make sure that we collect all the oil out of the mower. This old oil's dirty, might have some sludge, grime. And then we want to take this old oil to an oil recycling center. Here in Corpus Christi, our oil recycling center's at the J.C. Elliott Landfill and Trash Collection Center. So I'll be taking it there later. Let's take a look. I think it's pretty much empty. Now very carefully to make sure we don't spill our oil. Voila. Just take our little rag, wipe any excess off there. Make sure that's good and clean. Got a little dark oil in there, so that's good. It's a good time to change it. Replace your oil with, today I'll be replacing it with 10W30 Pennzoil. And we'll go ahead and get started. Kind of measure off, see how much you're putting in. Give it a second, let it settle some more. Check it again. So it's got these little lines here on the dipstick. I don't know if you can see those, but you want it between those two holes there. That's the recommended spot. All right, and if you can kind of see, maybe, we've got it right up in there. All right, so remember this is our old air filter. I pulled out of here. It's all clogged, got all kinds of grass and junk stuck in there. It's dirty, filthy. Look at that. That's all just taking performance and power right out of the mower. We're gonna fix that today. Here's the Briggs Stratton replacement filter we got today at Home Depot. It's an identical match. But you can see it's crystal clear. Let's go ahead and install it. Just get any of this little pieces out. Look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. I'm just going to kind of wipe this up a little bit. See if my rag's still over here. Here it is. Got it all cleaned up. everything's ready to go back on. Just a little left. There we go. All right. Now here was that spark plug wire. Here's that old dirty spark plug that I took out. Go ahead and replace that with a new one. No adjustment necessary, just they come from the store ready to be installed. Don't really want to put too much torque on it, but just enough. Let's wipe this out a little bit. There we go, everything's on. Looking good. Okay, let's check this. I've got gas. Let's check my oil again. Oil looks a little low still, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Much better. All right. Everything's all wiped down. A nice little dry wash. All right. Now it's time to see how she sounds. Here we go, first pull. To sum up today's video, you should always check your oil levels before you start your mower. That'll make sure your engine stays lubricated properly. You should also perform maintenance on your mower regularly. That'll prolong the life of the engine. And don't wait 4.5 years to do this like I did. That's a big no-no when it comes to maintaining your engine. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.